How to add bedrock support to your Java Edition server. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to add support for bedrock players. This is actually fully working. I have done it before. Let's let's dig in. So first, make sure you go to your panel. Mine's panel.freshcraft.xyz. Now, this will be in the description down below. This is where you can get the essential, where you can actually get bedrock players actually joining. So, I'm using paper. You might be using purple. Whichever one. You'll be using this one right here. So just click, save, and it downloads. Now, you need Floodgate as well for it to work. So you go to the Floodgate tab, click on Spigot/paper, download that as well. Once all has been downloaded, go to your panel again, go to Files, go to Plugins, and then just simply drag them in. After it's loaded up, you simply go to Files. Let me duplicate this tab real quick. So on this other tab, which is on the Files, go to Network. This is where you can find your other port that you need. This is required for it to actually work. Make sure it's port forwarded if you're actually hosting it yourself, or ask the hosting provider to either give you an extra port or have to pay for an extra port. I do not know the case for you, but this is my case. So once on Files, on the main Files tab, go to Plugins, go to Geyser Spigot, and then go to Config. Now right here where it says this right here, simply put in your port. Mine's this one. Once that has been added, you should be able to save and then restart. Now once it's up, simply simply connect. If you got bedrock players, they use a port that you have made. I want to be showcasing how to join on both versions of the game. First, we're going to go with bedrock. Now once in, let it sign in. Now once it's signed in, go to play, go to servers, press add server. Name whatever you want. In my case, it's a tutorial, so I'm going to name it tutorial. Then the IP of the server. It can be numeric, or it can be an actual domain. Mine's an actual domain. Now for the port, make sure to put your port that you actually made for bedrock. My port is 8008. And then press add server. Now once it has been added, you should be able to just connect. And I was able to connect. Now I'm going to show you how to connect on Java Edition. As of course, you need the IP. This is a Java Edition's IP, at least for me. And then press join. You should be able to see the other player. Right there. I can see my skin. I can't see the bedrock skin, but there is a separate plugin that you can add to your server which lets you. I will not be covering this in this tutorial, but this is basically covering what to do. Now, if you're looking for a server that already has geyser spigot installed and all that stuff, MineKeep. Literally, MineKeep's the way to go. It's it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna show you their website real quick. This is MineKeep. I'll have this in the description as well, but I hope that actually did help you. Peace.